Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am back. This is part 2 of the MV video. About 8 months late, but we're here. Late, but we reach. All right, don't call me. It took a while, but I'm back here in the chrome badge rear-wheel drive manual M3. I'm healthy this time. Last time I was actually sick as a dog, about to die, but I feel better now. So I will be able to do this a whole lot better, and I'm much more confident as a driver. I'm no longer intimidated by this machine. Yeah, I'm still not far back enough. My knees are bumping into the steering wheel. It's as far as it can go. Yeah, I need, yeah. As far as it can go. Yeah, this is more like it. I need to be able to actually get the clutch and the brake. Clutch can go all the way in, and bumper should be about here. That can move the car off. As y'all know, the classic BMW knob shifter has a little bolt at the front here. See, neutral, because yeah, our iDrive now. Oh, this is a sunroof car. It's not a slick top, but yeah, it's way too hot in Florida for all this, so I'm gonna leave that closed. You guys know already from the last video, Tanzanite blue on the outside and Kyalami orange in the interior. I cannot remember what those are called. Ford Coupe. Most likely, I don't remember the exact model name, but it's most likely a Ford. And that's 2 doors, there's a coupe. Ceramic brake case. Yep. Alright, so people have G80s in Jamaica, but the way this car feels on this road, unless you live in Kingston, you'd be terrified, because they're just little corrugations. We actually have bad roads in Jamaica. TRX. And around here, probably actually get to use it for what it's made for. See, I'm all over the place in Broward County or Miami. That's definitely a Pigeon Princess. All now further you can do is grass, maybe. Oh, I can't watch the light. Have the hoods over it. perfect for a pull, but the cop just decides to be right at the traffic light. Too far forward. Alright, might wanna put it back in to face out. Put my legs over the humps. Yeah, exiting out M3 is never graceful, ever. But in the sun, you can really see how this tanzanite pops. Oh Lord. How on earth did I forget to? Ladies and gentlemen, I forgot to assemble my camera somehow. But yeah, this is Lake Trafford. I might have heard my uncle has never been here and he's lived up here for 10 years. There's a concrete lake. I guess they dug it out, so it's man-made, artificial, not a natural one. And Old Escape Park. And there she is, sitting pretty. Gorgeous car. Oh my god. Okay. Florida sun is not kind. It is warm out here. Jesus Christ. I need to retreat to this car very soon, because god damn. Alright, so usually I prepare, but apparently every single camera I have on my DSLR is completely dead. So I guess I'm using my phone for this one. But there she is, sitting rather pretty. Fixed wheel. That tail jagger? Maybe, I'm not sure. I don't want to really catch this guy in the background, but jeez, she is gorgeous. Look at her, guys. Oh my god. All right. Yeah, so I definitely want one. You guys know, you already know I'm BMW fan. Bayerische Motorenwerke. Ooh, okay. Oh, parking job, perfectly centered. I don't get a ticket for that one. That's a little inside joke between my mom and I. Yeah, apparently up here she was parking so badly that somebody had cards made and left it on the windshield. So yeah, but Don't think I can use the suction cup now. Don't want to waterlog my camera. Don't think I can use the suction cup now. Don't want to waterlog the camera. But alright, so this may or may not have put a damper on things. Oh, he has a better car. Ah, that's probably why it's flashing. It's like, you're not using that car correctly. Put to shame. Scare how far that truck got in that short amount of time.
Yeah.
It became smaller and smaller in seconds. Damn.
No time.
This would be really good pictures. Roads in the rain. Alright, this is definitely coming to our early end, so I shall bid you guys farewell. Got a couple of good pulls. I will see y'all later.